What kind of different transportation lanes we can have? First, you can have it from location to location. Second, you can have it location to a zone. Third, you can have it zone to a zone, between the two zones, that's most common. Fourth, you can have it from a zone to a location. Fifth, you can have it within the zone. Now, we don't have a to source and destination, but within the zone, what is my transportation lane? That you need to define. And this also, this is location A and this is location B, right? If you're defining a lane from location A to location B, it cannot be defined like this with both arrows. Okay, you need to, if it is a both way, you need to define two locations. So first location you need to define, first lane you need to define from A to B. And for reverse, you need to define a separate master data, which will be defining B to A. Okay, the two need to define. It is not both ways direction. The particular direction, two different set of master data would be required to be maintained. So these are the different transportation lanes we'll be creating it. And under each of the transportation lane, the two set of data would be very important. First set of data, your means of transport. Under the means of transport, we have a different parameters. Second, within the mean of transport, who are different carrier available. For one means of transport also, there can be different carriers which can be available. That also you need to maintain it. Okay, that would be the data which would be going into the transportation lane.